Ball game. Pass number 4. Number 4 drive. Using the board and score. Number 24. Basket. 49-41 in favor of team EUT. Rep, sorry rep. Number 24, uy, nice pass. Oy, Tejoso. Para is 2 points. Boss, pa ano lang space lang? Rep, sorry. Wala pa siya na rep lang. 49-43. Thank you, rep. Thank you. Ay, Reiko. Rep, sorry. Boss. Pumasok na, pumasok. Ay, hindi. Sablay. 49-43. Block. No good. Rebound by Tejoso. No good. Number 4. Oh, there's a foul. Traveling. It's a travel. Cross-court pass number 11. Drop pass. 45-49. Basket count and 1.
Number 15, number 4,
1 shot, no good.
Sablay.
Official score 52-45. Pass number 12. Behind the box, steal.
it's shooting ball.
Two, 42, 45. Number 23, 4-3, no good. Cross-court pass to number 26, Essie. Nabitawan, number 12, outlet pass. Number 27, all the way, basket. Cross-court pass. There's a foul. Number 11, that is fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. First shot, no good.
Number 11, fourth personal foul. Warning.
Basket. 53, 47. Offensive foul.
Rep.
Cover.
14 o 24? Dito yung ano? 14 o 24?
Foul number 24. Number 24, second personal foul.
Prep. 3. That's a 3-point. So, tumayo. Number 27. The number 10. Side step. Block. Pass number 24. High pick up. Number 8. Pull up. No good. And there's a foul.
Number 8, first personal foul. 14 foul on Tucker. 20 penalties and 23 seconds.
4-3. Wala. Reps ko po. Oh, steal. Number 23. Cross-court pass. Number 8, drive, no good. At there's a foul.
Here's the foul. Foul number 10. Yes, number 7, second personal foul. 15 foul on Tucker. Substitution number
On the free throw area. First shot is good for De La Cruz. Second shot, basket. 58-47. Balik sa 11 ang labang ng Team EUD. Number 21. Pass to Tejoso, drive.
is the foul.
There is a foul.
Foul number 26. Number 26. Substitution. 3 to 20 minutes.
First shot is good.
Our score, 58 in favor of EUT.
Second shot is good. 49-58. Number 25, 4-3, short. Rebound number 27. Hesse. Pass number 21. Drive, floater against the foul.
Number 4, second personal foul. Substitution. Number 21, 2 for 2.
Second shot, no good. Number 15, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 8. Number 21. Number 21, drive. Umatake, basket. Mabasa pito ang lamang. Outlet pass. Oh. Okay na po. 3 minutes and 56 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Number 21. Pass to Love. shot. Wala. Out of bounds.
Release ball.
58-51. Number 6, De La Cruz. Number 24, cross-court pass. Drop pass. Oh, nakalusot. By Kobe Bryant. Perez at the post.
Here's the foul. Foul number 3, Villaluz. Villaluz, third personal foul. 14 foul for EUT.
Bola rito ng Conqueror. Number 21 for 3. Yes, sir.
Number 21.
Nakabawi sa 3 ang Conqueror. 54-60. De La Cruz. Pinasa corner. Babawi sa 3. In and out. Rebound. Number 21. Number 21. Uy! Nakalusot! Oy! Wala! It's a foul.
Number 24.
Both teams under penalty situation. Number 27, shooting for 2, that's Tejoso. First shot, no good. Second shot for Tejoso, in and out, rebound, number 10. Wala, rebound. Paborito ng Team EUT. De La Cruz, drive, wala, rebound by number 8. Ay na ang Conqueror, out and pass, too strong.
EUT ball. Shot remaining. 2 minutes and 23 seconds.
2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining para sa third quarter.
In favor of EUT.
Mabasa ni Mang Lamang ng Team EUT. Cross-court pass. Uy, nakalusot. Si number 3. That is Villaluz. 54-62. Number 24, reverse layup, basket. Ayan na, number 23, Binale, wala, rebound. Makuha ng Team Conqueror. So number 24, nabitawan, steal by De La Cruz. Ricardo, nagmamadali. Oh, nabitawan. Same ball tayo. 1 minute and 34.
19 seconds shot to shoot.
Sa corner for 3, wala. Rebound by number 21. Number 21, nagmamadali. Number 21, dire-diretso. Uy! Napalakas. Ay na. De La Cruz. Oh, block. EUT basketball. It's a foul.
Foul number 7.
Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds. Shooting the line number 23. There is Orsal.
Penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Second shot. Basket. 63-56. Ayan. Pass De La Cruz. De La Cruz up and under and gets the foul.
Ball number 12. Number 21, personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty. Time remaining last 56 seconds. De La Cruz shooting the line. Second shot. Basket by Del Ricardo De La Cruz. 65-56. Tejoso drive. Oh! Sumabay ka pa. Ayan na si De La Cruz. Ricardo. Wala. Rebound by Tejoso. Tejoso na naman. Oy! Offensive foul.
Number 10.
Ay, kita natin official yan.
Number 7, personal foul.
Shot clock. Medic. Close na idol. Kaya pa daw, kaya. Last 36 seconds. Oh, 38. De La Cruz. Rep. Cross-court pass, number 7. And that's a travel. Last 26 seconds. Oh, steal. Number 23, up and under and gets the foul.
Number 21, personal foul.
Ursal on the free throw area. Second shot. Basket. 66-58. Last 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oy, nakalusot. Oh, another steal. Tira. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score as 66-60 in favor of the team EUT. Tayo na daw na sa fourth quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanggaling third place ngayong season? Ang team EUT ba or ang team Conqueror? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. Okay. Fourth quarter tayo. Lamang ng 6. Ang team EUT. Wait lang daw. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. Magkakaalaman tayo dito sa quarter na to. De La Cruz, top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Number 23. Pass number 15. 4-3. Wala. Oh, naalusot ang EUD. By jersey number 4. That is De La Cruz. Balik sa 8 ang alabangan ng Team EUD. Tejoso. And out of bounds. Same ball. Number 24, basket yan. 62-68. Orsala, nasa corner.
Hey daddy, wake up.
Kick out.
Hey daddy.
De La Cruz, drive, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz, kick out. From the corner 3, oh, no good. Another rebound, tumira, wala. Rebound number 11 this time. Tumatakbo ang Conqueror. Bounce pass. Number 17. Nasa corner. Number 11, top of the key for 3. Yes, sir. Ayan na, bumabawi ang Conqueror. EUD basketball. De La Cruz, drive. Out of bounds.
Our score 68-65 in favor of EUT.
Number 23, pass to De La Cruz. Bounce pass, steal. And number 27, tumatakbo. 3 against 1, too strong.
Please, punta muna dito sa table para alaman anak ng committee. Tawag ko sa pumunta muna ng table.
Out of bounds. Cross-court pass. Number 23. Spin. Pull-up jumper. Basket. 70-65. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Team EUD. Number 11, pass to Tejoso. Oh, it's a travel.
Offensive foul by number 12. Number 12, fourth personal foul. Warning.
Number 12, fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Number 23, 4-3, no good. Rebound ng Conqueror. Number 12, pass number 24. It's a foul.
Foul number 4. Number 4, third personal foul. Personal foul for EUT.
Pass to Perez. Perez, bounce pass to Tejoso. Steal. De La Cruz. 2 against 1. De La Cruz. It's a travel. Sayang, muntikan na rin yun. Ayun na, nakalusot. Number 24, nakakuha ang bola. Perez. Drive, side step. Wala. Rebound, number 27. And there's a foul.
Foul number
Last 23. Ursal.
Second personal foul
Number 27 shooting for 2.
for EUT.
First shot is good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Outlet pass. Steal by number 11. Number 11 looking for his teammate. Number 24. Drive. Uy, to number 11. Reverse block. And out of bounds. Same ball. 10 second shot knock to shoot. Number 11. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound ng EOD. De La Cruz to number 15. All the way. Libre yan. Easy 2 points for Team EOD. Balik ulit ang kalamangan. 72-66. Rano Orbidayo rather. Number 27 4-3 short. Number 24 wala. Rebound makakuha ng EUD. Ay na 3 against 1. Oh, 3 against 2. Step back 3. Bang! Oh my goodness. 3-point for Fernandez. Jersey number 15. And a timeout muna rito ang Team Conqueror. Official score 75-66 in favor of Team EUT. Time remaining 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Back to the ball game.
EUT, you have 3 timeouts. Conqueror, 2 timeouts.
Bola rito ng Team Conqueror. Number 12. Pass number 11. Oy. Kick out to number 24. And that's a foul. Oh, correction. 3 seconds violation. EUT basketball. Number 4, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 12. Pass number 24. Steal ng EUT. Steal number 8. Right. Basket. Babasa pito ang lamang ng Team EUT. 75-68. Villaluz. Crossover, drive, kick out. Orzal, drive, block. Oh, steal.
Ano yan? Intercept yun ha. Dapat yung shot block mo panibago, hindi mag-spark. Kasi na nakuha ng green, nagpa-control, nakuha ulit ng nagpa-control. Pero hindi mag-spark yung shot block.
Uy, huwag niyo madaliin. Madaliin mo eh. Hindi na pindot. Di ba matigas ka mapindot?
Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang. Ano ba tayo, guys? Last tayo. Konting pasensya lang. Hindi mapindot lang, idol.
75-68 in favor of EUT.
4 minutes and 23 seconds. To number 11, pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound ng EUD. De La Cruz. To Orsal from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Number 8. Oh, nice move. Ayun na, 5 na lang ang inahabol ng Team Conqueror. Number 15, Fernandez for 3. Wala. Rebound. Tejoso, pass to number 11. Number 11, Hesse, pass to number 21. Uy, basket count. Time out muna rito ang EUD.
Ngayon, naisip yung dapat mag-reset tayo sa 14 pa rin. Kasi nag-grade rating siya.
Alright, time remaining po natin. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Ay, boss.
Hindi na pinili kanina.
75. Tatlo. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. On the free throw area for a bonus shot. Number 21. Basket. Ayan na. Dalawa na lang ang inahabol. 75-73. De La Cruz. Oh, matake. Kick out. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Ricardo. Back to number 15. To number 24. Oy, Hesse. Nabitawan. Still by Tejoso. Pass number 21. Lia Gasu. Oy, sa loob. Oh! Tabla na tayo. 75 all. Number 4. Wala. Rebound. Pakuha rito. Oy. Ayun na. Tama. Basket is good. Timeout dito ang Team Conqueror. Official score 77-75.
Ang EUD na dalawa, Conqueror isa. Ang timeout ng EUD
Dogs.
dalawa,
Basta. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team EUD.
ang score 77-25.
2 minutes and 30. Okay, back to the ball game. Traveling violation. Thank you po, boss. Two minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Ricardo, what an extra pass! Basket! Napakabilis naman ni Ricardo doon. 79-75, balik sa 4. Ang lamang ng EUD. Last 2 minutes, score 3! Wala! Rebound by Ricardo. Ricardo nagpapadali. Ricardo, bounce pass. Oy, walang tawag. Steal. Number 24, drive! Bam! Mabasa ang dalawa, ang lamang 79-77. 1 minute and 26. Number 24, kick out. Number 15, 4-3. Yes, sir! Humahabol. Number 10, Tejoso. Ay na, drive. It's a foul. Shooting on the line at jersey number 8. Crucial free throw para kay number 8. First shot is good. Ayun na. Apat na lang ang inahabol ng Team Conqueror. Second shot for jersey number 8. Oh, ayan na. 79-82. Tatlo na lang. With the time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds, 5 seconds. De La Cruz, pass number 23. Orsal. Orsal, running shot, gets the contact, and it's a foul. Number 8. Orsal shooting the line. First shot, no good. Second shot for Orsal. Ayan na. Wala. Rebound. Number 21. Number 21. Umatake. And that's a travel. Last 42 seconds. Wala rito ng team EUT. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng EUT. De La Cruz. Four, three. Ayan na. Tejoso. Oh, steal! Naka-recover si number 11. Number 21, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Good. Steal by De La Cruz. Bounce pass. Number 7. Last 2 seconds. Official timeout muna tayo. At dito okay, ang ating third place. Congratulations, EUT. And a nice game para sa Team Conqueror. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga dito sa Barangay Salapan Senior Basketball Tournament 2026. Hello. Our final score 87-79. Manalo po ang Team EUT. Alright, and maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Ayan, syempre sa pangunayan ng ating butingin barangay captain, Cap Ai Tejoso, at sa kanyang barangay council dito sa barangay Salapan. Uwi na, sino ba ating next game?